Rivian shares seeing a big move higher in the after-hour session after reporting results moments ago. Phil LeBeau has now the CEO of Rivian, RJ Scaringe, for his first comments before the call. Phil?
Thank you, Melissa. RJ, good to be here in Irvine. Let's start first off. Fourth quarter, you lose money again. You're expecting to lose anywhere between 1.8 and 2.1 this year. When does this company get to sustained profitability?
Well, Q4 for us was a really important quarter. This was the first quarter where we've really achieved positive gross margin on a cash basis. So we've achieved about $2,000 of profit per vehicle on a cash basis. And the delta between the cash basis and the GAAP basis is really primarily depreciation. And so we have $11,000 of depreciation per unit. And that depreciation is going to be amortized over a lot more units as we start to ramp R2. So R2 is a really key program for us. It makes R1 more profitable, and of course, it adds volume to the business.
We'll talk about sustained profitability in a bit. Let's talk about your guidance. 62 to 67,000 vehicles delivered this year. Is the R2 the bulk of those deliveries, or just a portion of those? And when do you begin deliveries?
We start producing and delivering customer vehicles in the second quarter this year, and we ramp through the course of the year. When we look at the overall volume, really think about Q4 and that exit rate, what we'll be looking at in terms of production across two shifts, starting to represent what we'll begin to see in 2027. This year, of course, we'll continue producing the R1, our commercial van, and by the end of 2027, R2 will start to really be the majority of the volume of the business.
Price point, $45,000. You've said that it'll start there. Can you keep it at $45,000? And when do you start selling that $45,000 vehicle? Is it right away?
Yeah, the portfolio of products we have, of course, we're starting at 45. We've talked about that a lot. But we're launching with a dual motor performance package with our largest battery pack and a premium interior. And we spent a lot of time thinking about what are the different combinations of vehicles we want to offer. So on March 12th, we're going to be unveiling the different vehicles across the portfolio.
But just to be clear here, because people have focused on that 45,000 point, will the first vehicles you deliver price at 45, or will they price at a higher price point? And what will that be?
The launch configuration will be at a higher price point, but the 45 will be coming in shortly thereafter.
I know it's a tough day, tight day, a lot of earnings. RJ Scaringe, glad we could talk to you before the earnings call with analysts. Guys, Mike, we'll send it back to you.